fyrsta grein mótsins farið af stað, 800 metra hlaup karla og þarna er á þriðju braut með besta tíman fyrir mót Fjölnir Brynjarsson í FH og ég reikna nú með að Fjölnismaðurinn muni veita honum harða keppni sem hann leiði núna.
Stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds, but I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDE. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bus. Halfway across that city with the black can't crush it. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. Give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing.
Og Fjölnir leiðir eftir fyrsta ring, Kjartan reynir að pressa á hann en mér sýnist draga frekar sundum með henn.
I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go once, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like you gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Time to go up, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. My girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer now. I never ever did a rock wrong. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. That sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands. This is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching. I said,